Ever wondered how some people seem to attract success as easily as a magnet attracts metal? It's not just luck or coincidence. What if I told you there's a power within each of us that can shape our reality? A power that, when harnessed, can bring about the life we've always dreamed of. Welcome to the fascinating world of the law of attraction, a concept that suggests we have the ability to attract into our lives whatever we are focusing on. It is the belief that the mind has the power to translate whatever is in our thoughts and materialize them into reality. In other words, all thoughts turn into things eventually. If you focus on negative doom and gloom, you will remain under that cloud. But if you focus on positive thoughts and have goals that you aim to achieve, you will find a way to achieve them with massive action. Today, you will learn how to harness this power to attract anything you desire. So, what exactly is the law of attraction, you may ask? Well, let's dive right in. The law of attraction is a fascinating principle that suggests we have the power to shape our reality through our thoughts and feelings. It's the idea that like attracts like. Positive thoughts bring about positive outcomes, while negative thoughts attract negative results. Picture your mind as a magnet, pulling towards it whatever it focuses on. If you constantly think about success, prosperity, and happiness, you'll start attracting those into your life. On the other hand, if your mind is filled with thoughts of failure, fear, and doubt, you'll likely attract situations that reinforce these beliefs. But how does it work? At its core, the law of attraction operates on an energetic level. Everything in the universe, including our thoughts and feelings, is made of energy. This energy vibrates at different frequencies. High-frequency vibrations align with positive emotions like joy and love, while lower frequencies resonate with negative emotions such as fear and anger. When you think and feel a certain way, you send out vibrations that match your thoughts and emotions. The universe, acting like a giant mirror, reflects back to you experiences that match your vibrational frequency. That's why it's so crucial to maintain a positive mindset and emotional state. Now, it's important to note that the law of attraction isn't a magic wand that instantly materializes your desires. It's a tool that guides your focus and helps you align with the energy of what you want. And while it's not always easy to control our thoughts and feelings, with practice and patience, we can become more adept at harnessing the power of this law. Remember, the law of attraction is always working, whether we're consciously aware of it or not. It's a fundamental part of the universe, just like gravity. So why not use it to our benefit? Now that you understand the law, let's dive into how you can use it to your advantage. As we move forward, we'll explore practical steps to tap into the power of the law of attraction and create the life you've always dreamed of. So, stay tuned. First and foremost, you need clarity. The law of attraction works like a mirror, reflecting back to you what you project into the world. But if your projection is blurred or undefined, what you get back will be just as fuzzy. Imagine you're an artist. You have a blank canvas in front of you, but no defined image in mind. You start painting, but without a clear picture to guide you, the result is a mishmash of colors and shapes. It's the same with the law of attraction. Without a clear and specific goal, you're simply throwing paint at the canvas and hoping for a masterpiece. But hope isn't a strategy. That's why clarity is crucial. You need to know exactly what you want, down to the finest detail. Picture it, define it, understand it. This clarity will act as your guiding light, leading your thoughts and actions along the path to your goal. A clear goal is like a compass, guiding your thoughts and actions towards your desired outcome. Scene script. Next, you need to visualize your goal. This isn't merely a game of make-believe, it's a powerful tool that can bring your dreams to life. Visualization is the act of creating a mental image of what you desire. It's like a rehearsal, where your mind is the stage and your goal, the star performer. Imagine the feeling of having achieved your goal. See it in vibrant colors, hear the sounds associated with it, even smell the scents. Engage all your senses. The more detailed your visualization, the more potent its power. The universe listens to the language of energy and vibration. When you visualize, you emit a frequency that matches your desires. The law of attraction then works to align your reality with these frequencies. To effectively visualize your goals, make it a daily routine. Set aside a quiet time each day for this practice. The more consistently you visualize, the stronger your signal to the universe. Remember, seeing is believing. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. The third step is to harness the power of emotions. You see, our emotions are much like a magnifying glass, amplifying the power of our thoughts. They are the spark that lights the fire of manifestation. When we feel, we emit energy, and this energy attracts similar energy from the universe. This is why it's so crucial to cultivate positive emotions associated with your goal. Imagine the joy, the pride, the satisfaction you'll feel once you've achieved what you're striving for. Live in that feeling. Let it permeate your being. Let it be the soundtrack of your thoughts. This emotional charge intensifies the power of your desires, sending out a stronger signal to the universe. Remember, the law of attraction doesn't distinguish between good or bad emotions. It simply responds to your emotional energy. So choose your emotions wisely, as they can either propel you towards your goals or away from them. Emotions are the fuel that drives the law of attraction. Make sure to choose the right fuel for your journey. Finally, you need to take action. It's the cornerstone of manifestation, the final crucial step in the process of harnessing the law of attraction. You see, without action, your dreams, no matter how vividly visualized or emotionally charged, remain just that, dreams. Action is the catalyst that propels your goals from the realm of thought into the realm of reality. It's the physical expression of your intent, the tangible proof of your commitment to your aspirations. It's the act of planting the seed of your desire into the fertile soil of reality, watering it with effort and nurturing it with persistence. Now you might be thinking, but I thought the law of attraction was all about thinking and feeling, about attracting things with the power of the mind. And you're absolutely right. However, the law of attraction isn't a spectator sport. It's not about sitting back and waiting for things to magically appear. It's about co-creating with the universe. Positive thinking and visualization are powerful tools. They set the stage, define the goal, and charge it with emotional energy. But action is the actor that steps onto that stage, the player that kicks the ball towards the goal. It's the energy that sets things in motion, that stirs up the universe and prompts it to respond. Think of it this way. Action is the echo that bounces back from the universe. When you take action, you send a clear message to the universe, saying, I'm serious about this, I'm committed, I'm ready. And the universe, in its infinite wisdom and power, responds in kind. It aligns circumstances, people, and opportunities in your favor, accelerating the manifestation process. So don't just wish, don't just dream, act. Take that first step, no matter how small or uncertain. Then take the next one, and the next, and the next. Keep moving, keep pushing, keep striving. Let your actions speak louder than your words. Let them echo throughout the universe, stirring it into motion, stirring it into action. Remember, action is the bridge between your dreams and reality. Cross that bridge. So, let's run through what you've learned today. We began our journey by recognizing the power within us. A power that is not mystical or elusive, but rather quite tangible and real. It's all about harnessing the energy of our thoughts and feelings to shape our reality. And that's where the law of attraction comes into play. We then delved into the understanding of the law of attraction, a universal principle that dictates that like attracts like. It's the idea that our thoughts and emotions have magnetic properties, pulling towards us the experiences that resonate with what we think and feel. Our first step in using the law of attraction was to gain clarity. We explored the importance of knowing what we want and being specific about it. It's not enough to say, I want happiness. We must articulate what happiness looks like to us, whether it's a loving relationship, a successful career, or robust health. Next, we moved on to the power of visualization. We learned that seeing our desires as already achieved, imagining ourselves living the life we want, is an essential part of the law of attraction. It's not just about dreaming. It's about visualizing with intent, creating mental images so vivid they feel real. We then focused on the role of emotions. It's not enough to think and visualize, we must feel. The law of attraction responds not just to our thoughts, but also to our feelings. The more positive and intense our emotions are towards our desires, the more powerful our attraction. And lastly, we discussed the importance of action. The law of attraction is not about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It's about aligning our actions with our thoughts and feelings, moving in the direction of our desires, and being open to opportunities. Remember, the law of attraction is as real as gravity. You can't see it, but you can definitely feel its effects. Start using it today and watch your life transform.